So in this video, I will show you step by step how to embed your YouTube playlist in your WordPress website. First of all, we have to install and activate a plugin. So just go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And in the search plugins box, you have to search here video gallery. And here scroll down and you have to search for this plugin video gallery YouTube playlist channel gallery by YOTUWP. So make sure the plugin comes from YOTUWP. So all you have to need install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, in this left-hand menu, just click on the plugin icon. And here come to general settings, and here you can change video layout template to grid list mix. So we'll change these settings later. So first of all, you have to click on API, and now we have to generate a YouTube API key. To generate API key, just follow me to do it. You do not know how to get YouTube API key, click on read this article. And now in this page here, first of all, you have to open Google Developers Console. So just click on Google Developers Console. And now if you're first time here, all you have to need sign in here using your Google account. So as you can see, I've already signed into my account. And then click on this option, and here we have to create a new project. So click on new project and give the project name. I'm typing YouTube playlist, and then just click on create. And now once you successfully created your new project, here you will find your project. Just click on select project, and then you will directly jump into the specific project dashboard. Now click on enables APIs and services. And in this API library, scroll down, and here you will find YouTube. You have to click on YouTube Data API version 3. And now just click on enable. Now come to this credentials section and click on create credentials and select API key. And it may take some moments to create your API key. And here, as you can see, my API key created. Your API key created. Now just copy your API key from here. And then go back to your WordPress. And now in this YouTube API key box, just paste the API key that we just generated. And now click on Save Changes. And after that, go to Shortcode Generator. And here select playlist. Now go ahead and open your YouTube playlist that you want to embed to your WordPress website. So let's select this playlist, for example, and just copying the playlist link. And all you have to need in this box, paste your YouTube playlist link and click on verify. And here you will see your playlist thumbnail. Now here you will find your shortcode for your playlist. Just copy this shortcode and then edit the specific post or page where you want to embed your YouTube playlist. In my case, I'm going to creating a new post. Once you are in post or page editor, just click on add block and here select shortcode and paste here your shortcode. Click on publish. And now let's view our page, and here as you can see, my YouTube playlist successfully embedded. And by clicking on next, I can load more videos from my playlist. And now to change your playlist view, go to your dashboard, go to general settings, and here go to general, and here currently as you can see, video layout template selected to grid. I'm selecting here list, clicking on change, save change, and let's reload our post. And here as you can see, my playlist layout successfully changed. So this is how we can embed our YouTube playlist in WordPress. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.